reality, affecting ecosystems, the economy, and our well-being and quality of life. Globally, temperatures are rising, and extreme weather events such as heat waves, flooding, and droughts are happening more often and becoming more severe. Climate records are being broken year after year. Climate change is impacting nature. Local plants and animals struggle adapting to changes in weather patterns. Non-local species are spreading to new areas, some bringing new diseases affecting crops, animals, and humans. Different regions will be impacted in different ways. Climate change is also impacting the global economy. Changes to food production, trade, and access to key resources like water and fertile land can increase geopolitical risks also for Europe. No matter where we live in the world, we are all vulnerable to the effects of climate change. The impacts of climate change will depend on how effective our efforts are today and in the future. We need to drastically reduce the amount of greenhouse gases we release and, at the same time, prepare for a changing climate. Sharing knowledge is essential for climate change efforts. A greater understanding of how each region will be affected and what can be done to prepare for adverse effects can help us better face the challenges to come. In facing the impacts of climate change, inaction is simply not an option. We must develop a climate-resilient society through a combination of low-carbon technologies, resilient infrastructure, improved disaster preparedness, and other adaptation solutions. For example, using parks, ponds, and rivers in cities to absorb excess rainwater and to cool cities. All of which also helps improve our quality of life. Our environment and ultimately our well-being depend